We gather say bandits don't kill 7 people and even kidnap 10 people. This one they happen inside Kaduna State. I think say this whole bandits matter don't relax. I think say somebody come outside, can't give them these police people or car their motor say, me no one they hear the whole bandits this one or non-government this one. May they settle this thing. Now again another one don't happen. As we gather our information, one resident talk say around 1 a.m. for midnight. Now their shooting start to dey happen. They even say na action film na they act. Before they go see, they no know say na militant. Now there they begin hear people they scream, they shout. Say in fact, and this thing they even kill people. Say that they invade person. This one they no go even come knock for your door. Say they won't come. They go just break your door, enter. And maybe if you no answer them, they go just shoot you. I beg, what did they happen inside Kaduna State? What did they happen for this northern state? Because now it don't be like say this whole bandit of it don't dey over happen. And the man calling the bandits group, they tell they say, there even be small group. Say them they be learner. Say the time where their own oga go even come outside, their eyes go see win. May bandit, what this one just they mean say they tell them say, may they come up for the land for them. My people beg, make us not be watch where this man for talk this whole thing.
It was around 1 o'clock a.m. that we just had different guns in all the locations. It seemed like they have taken over the town. So, and they continue to shoot, but at the end of the day, people started screaming. They were screaming, and in fact, some of us, even at our door, they will come and they push into people's house. And at the end of the day, we discovered that 10 of our people were abducted and 2 were killed. And this is the state now. And besides that, these people were saying that they were the small group, that their big people will be coming back. And so we don't know what we have done to them, and we don't know what to do now.
And I don't see where residents they complain. And they say the police talk say they go do everything about them. And they do everything about them since. Still nothing they change. Nothing they happen. And as I don't notice say now schools they target. As well, may they close down all these schools. Even house, where they go pack everybody say come out from that Kaduna State to be not. May they go put them for one place. Because it be like say now this side alone and they target. Say kidnappers go just come. In fact, I dey wonder. Police people are sure say as this thing they happen, they fit even call police. Police go they sleep. Police were supposed to protect like they go call you. Police so I beg go bandits they here. They go wait. If bandits don't go finish, then they come they do their why come they disturb the whole street say they don't come. Why we say they don't kill people finish? These people mean say na not even they safe. This one where this man even stay outside the top. You suppose don't go pack your load. How they come out? Because it means say na no they safe for that place. They don't give a warning say if they come back. So na not even supposed wait. Say na they beg make government will do anything, but na don't forget say government no go follow na they sleep inside these places. All these kind of things that people they talk say government know about them. Say that go kidnap you later, they will come they ask for one kind big ransom. Where be someone know say then these people no get. And I know say then these people no get this money, so I beg. Why be someone they can't go meet these people? And now DSS, on a supposed carry herself come outside. No be say the serious one, Nnamdi Kanu on Sunday balloon, and I go carry for head say na serious matter. This ones where bandits they do now, and I suppose come out, I can't show so yes so. On a day able, na day capable, me na can't go do this kind of work. Because it can't be like say this whole kidnapping of it, now be the new business inside Kaduna State. Before you go see they don't carry 100 students. Before you go see they don't carry 2,000. Say I made a bring money. The one with the investment, if you even carry this money, they go still even kill the person. What's the company need, I beg? What's it with the need? This one when I mobilize motor now, and I don't see say the motor when I even pay for. Say where police they use, you know work. And I don't see say upon all the old motor and Okada say they go use and help them catch these people. Still, na zero. Be I mean I collect all those things back, go use and buy things. Be I na security na go use and employ, I mean I go and go use and buy. Make na put them this military people in places. So that then these people come back because they don't already talk and say they go come back. No be say they tell na share, they don't announce and say if they come back, the two way na go see. So government no even supposed to relax. They're supposed to act on top this matter. And I just say all these bandit checkpoints are be hideouts. Then these people know where they be. So I beg, what did they delay on? What to make na never go all these places, go invade in these places? E come be like say this whole matter, e be like say one kind partiality don dey inside o. E be like say one kind corner things don dey inside. E be like say they know wetin they dey do. Na make they dey relax on this kind thing. Shey na until they go kill everybody inside Nigeria finish before na come outside. I hope say one day Nigeria go better because this whole bandits matter e don tire me. My people, I hear this one. I come make I bring am come una side. Make una sef in na ear hear wetin dey happen. Make una no forget to comment, like and also share this video. I go see you for our next video.